Well, seems like we have to wait. Until now, everything was silent. Until now, I just switch on the camera and okay, we have to wait, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. From beginning, I apologize for occasional noise, but if I have to wait until everything will be silent, I think I will never film this video. So big apology from beginning. So today we are doing something. So today I am making something different from my previous video that I posted lately. This is my design for today. As you can see, simple dress, long skirt, long sleeves, turtleneck. You can do just normal color, it's up to you, but this is what I wanted to make. And I want to show you today how simple it can be to add these little interesting details that will take your dress from simple and boring to still simple but more interesting. And all you need for today's project is a simple t-shirt. But I am not going to show you the details how to make a pattern out of the t-shirt because I have already made a video that is very similar to it. So if you want to go and check it out, if you want to see the more details on how to copy your clothes and make a patterns out of them, go ahead and watch this video before if you have no idea how to do it. So let me show you first how to do the pattern and then we can go to sewing, and trust me guys, it's going to be super easy today. And you will also need bias binding for creating the tunnel for this strap over here. You will also need to cut a long piece of fabric, and this will be the strap that will be inserted in the top part of the dress. It's super simple. I have this piece of fabric and I will just pull it like this, and that's it. Then you will need to cut a waistband for this part of the skirt, just like we counted the neckband or the turtleneck. So you will get the measurement of waist and you will multiply it by 0.85 and you will get the measurement of your waistband. Mine is approximately 4 centimeters wide. So this is my front piece. I will go ahead and open it. So I mark the middle, I will make vertical line, and I measured that I want my tunnel to be 12 centimeters long. Then I will take my bias binding. I didn't have a wide enough, so I just joined two pieces together. So this is what you can do if you are in the same situation like me. Then I folded approximately 5 millimeters inside on each side, and then I will go ahead and place it on the mark and then sew a straight stitch on each line that I marked for you. So now we need to fold the seam allowance inside, pin it, and sew it with a twin needle. I will jump to the skirt part of the front. I will take my waistband, fold it in a half, just like that, and I mark each quarter of the waistband and each quarter of the skirt. And as you can see, the skirt is bigger than the waistband. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sew it on my serger and slightly pull just the waistband until it is the same length like the skirt. So now the waistband is finished. It's not perfect, good enough for me. So now I will take the front piece, place it on the top and overlap until here, until this notch. Just like that. You see it's overlapping here. And now we need to do a basting stitch over here to secure these two pieces together. So now this is how it looks like. This is the front piece. It's a temporary attach on the side just with a hand stitch, and then there is a back piece, and so now we will join them on the shoulder seams. So now that we connected the shoulders, I will put it flat. So here is the front piece, here is the back piece. Now I will take the sleeve, and I see that I have notch here and notch here, so that means that this side is supposed to be attached to the front. I will place it right sides facing, and I will start to pin from here. So this is how it looks like now. As you can see, the side seams are open. So now I will turn it right side facing, pin the side seam and sew it with my overlock. It's starting to look like dress. Okay guys, so this is my turtleneck. As you can see, it's quite long because I cut it on fold, and I did it on purpose because I wanted to be able to fold it twice or 3 times and have really nice big turtleneck, because personally this is what I prefer. But you don't have to do this. As I said, you can just do a basic neckline. It's completely up to you, okay? But for me now, I have to sew the side seam of the turtleneck first. So now what I need to do is to turn it right side out like this, and then basically fold it in a half like this. One thing that I don't like about working with the jersey is that the edges are curling so much. This is quite annoying. I don't know, what do you think, guys? So I also mark the quarters on the neckline, and now what I am going to do, I'm going to place this inside. You can see that this seam here, I will place it at the back of the dress. So now I have all points pinned, and I will go ahead to my overlock again and just overlock it and pray for the best. So now you need to pull the turtleneck in order that it fits with the neckline, because as you know, its neckline is wider than the turtleneck.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you try.
Timidement. Yeah, wonderful.